must be a good thing. Another night ruined, I don't even know when we became this way.
said full battery charge, but I don't know what happened. But yeah, guys, I just wanted to organize my beauty room just because, you know, I have my sneakers there, my shoes that I like wear every day. And then I wanted to organize my vanity because it gets messy when you're doing makeup and all that good stuff. So yeah, like sorry because the sun is coming in, guys. I have these shades, but no matter what, light still comes in. So, but yeah, I have candles, which I always have to have candles in my room. It's relaxing. So yeah, just wanted to dust everything down, wipe everything down, because you know when you have carpet, it kind of gets dusty. That's nail polish that I have to put away. And yeah, just my vanity is nice and clean. This is the only way that I get inspired to do makeup. Literally, my vanity has to be clean and wiped away. I can't stand cluttered and messy. All that right there, of course, you guys know it's for my lip scrubs and lip glosses that I make on my beauty shop. So I will leave all that link down below so you guys can check it out as well. So that's like all my stuff that I keep there. I need to buy something, like a little container, so to keep everything organized for that. But yeah, that's where all my stuff I keep, like my honey, my Versa gel, all that good stuff to make it. So yeah, here are my lip gloss, my lipsticks, my liquid lipstick, guys. So in case you guys are interested, this is one of them. This is White Cabbage. That's of the nude ones. I have nudes as well. And then this one is Purple Emperor, which is my favorite. I love, love, love. And of course, these are my lip scrubs that I make myself. Vegan, cruelty free, so hydrating to the lips. And also my lip glosses. So if you guys are interested, please go to my shop. I will leave everything linked below for you guys. I have other things, so I'll show you guys my rack of everything that I have. But yeah, just wanted to organize everything, not really like deep clean anything, just to like tidy up and organize stuff, especially my workspace where I do my Bible studies and check my emails and things like that. I like to keep everything nice and organized. So yeah, this is my coffee. I made it at home. And of course, you gotta drink water, keep yourself hydrated. But other than that, I'm so happy listening to Christmas music already. But everything just nice and clean. I have my daily devotional that I always do. I have my prayer journal, my Bibles, English, Spanish, bullet journals, all that good stuff. So yeah, I also have these quotes because I really love to have things that I can read, like let go and let God, things like that. And this is just a little prayer that I did for my marriage and my husband. And then I have, you know, faith, hope, and love, live, laugh, and love. And then this is just a gift that I got from a student years ago, and I still have it. It's so important to me. So yeah, guys, so this is it. It's nice and clean, just tidied up. And then over here, everything is nice and tidied up. Like, I don't like clutter, and I don't like things all over the place. It's just like, oh. So this is what I'm talking about, guys. I still have, up here, I just have like my body sprays and stuff, but here, from here down is where I'm talking about. I have a lot of things. These are like some that are sorry if you hear my dog, she's crying. These are just gifts that I want to that I'll put, like in case someone orders something, you're a first time buyer, you want to buy something from my shop, I will give you a free item gift. So these are lashes, vegan, they're literally cruelty free, handmade and all that. They're so pretty, lightweight, light band. I love them. And I wear contacts, so they do not bother my eyes whatsoever. They just feel so nice and comfortable. And I also have this packaging. So I have this one in the blue and black, which I love so much. So as you can see, up here are all my lip glosses. These are the lip gloss tubes that I basically did personally, made myself. This one's strawberry. No, not strawberry. Watermelon. And I just love it. It smells so good. And I just love the way it is, guys. So please make sure to check my shop. Oops. I don't want to, so yeah, I have grape, all these. This one I was just playing around with it to make it like a little fall. But I really love the way it came out though with the little leaves. I think it's so pretty. So I love that one as well. Then I also have all my lashes right here, guys. My lashes, so you can check my shop. I have so many lashes, guys. If you place your order in, please make sure to order lashes. These lashes are so pretty. You know, they're nice for like a day glam night out, or you don't go a little simple, you just wear a nice lash. So I have them for all. They're really nice. I love them. They're quality. I have 2 pair for my own that I constantly wear all the time, and I have contacts, so they really help with my contacts. They don't bother, irritate my eyes. And these are the liquid lipsticks that I still have. I sold a lot of them, so I only have 2, 4, 5 left. But you can also pre-order on my shop. You can pre-order, and I can order those for you guys as well. These are the lip scrubs that I personally made myself. I even made my labels. So yeah, this is watermelon. I don't know why I keep getting confused. And this one is strawberry, which I really love too, and it smells just like strawberry, guys. It is amazing. No, sorry guys. So yeah, these are the liquid lipsticks that I still have in stock right now, but you can pre-order the other ones that are not on my shop. You could pre-order those, and I will get that order for you guys. These are my lip scrubs that I made, of course, and here are the nude liquid lipsticks, which I need to take them out the box just so I can have them out so you guys can see. But those are the nudes. I have nudes and also color ones. So yeah, that's pretty much. And in here I just have my business card, my thank you cards, the little spoolies for the spoolies, the little brushes for the lashes, and all that good stuff. So yeah, here is my little stuff area that I have on my things. So yeah, please make sure to check out my website and my shop, also on Facebook and Instagram. I will leave everything down below so you guys can check it out. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, follow me on all my socials, and like I always say, God bless you.